What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna talk about rep wheels. Like, rep wheels are good to buy or not, if you should rep wheels or not, if you should put rep wheels on your car or not. We are just gonna talk about that in this video, and I'll just explain all of the things to you guys, like what I think and what's my opinion and what most of the people have their opinion on rep wheels. Like, this is not about any specific person, so this is just purely my opinion and what I have heard about rep wheels. So just don't take it personally or something like that. It's just like, it's your wish, it's your car and it's your wheels. You can just buy whichever wheels you want to. You can buy original wheels or you can buy rep wheels. It's just on you, and this is just purely my opinion on this topic. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing people just talk about, are rep wheels good? Like, are they good enough to buy? And from my perspective, it just depends upon you. What do you want to do with those wheels? Like, of course you want to put that on your car, but it also depends how do you want to drive your car. Like, suppose if you are driving or if you are drifting, then you wouldn't like to have real wheels because you are just going to wreck your wheels while you are drifting. Like, that's a common thing. You are just going to go off the track, and while you are practicing, it's just like really common. Or you are just going to bash in there or bash into another car when you are doing some tandems. So it's just like a common thing. You are just gonna destroy those wheels really quickly. Like, it's just gonna be like really quickly destroyed. So it depends upon you what you would like to have, and it also depends upon your pocket. Like, how deep are they? Like, if you can buy real wheels, original wheels, if you can rep branded wheels, and then you can drift on those wheels, and if something happens to those wheels, you are not affected by that. That is just like really nice, and you can do whatever you want to. But at this point, I just don't have that much like thing. As you can see, like, I don't have that to just buy original wheels for my normal car too. At this point, I can just afford some rep wheels which look nice and which are just like good enough. Like, yeah, I can just buy them and I can just rep them on my car, and most of people won't even realize that I have rep wheels until and unless they look really close to it, and if I have really bad wheels. Those are the two main things which are just like give away if your wheels are nice or if your wheels are real or not. So I just don't care about if I have real wheels or if I have rep wheels. I'll just have whatever wheel I can. It just depends upon my pocket, how much budget I have for the wheels, and I'll just buy those wheels whenever I want to and whichever wheel I want to. It depends upon, like, there are so many wheels. Like, Japanese started making rep wheels. Like, not Japanese started making rep wheels. Like, as soon as people started making aftermarket wheels, the rep wheels started into the production. Like, people started making rep wheels too. Like, aftermarket wheels were the wheels which just started everything. So people just started making rep wheels, and aftermarket wheels are just like the original brand wheels. They are just like 3 grand or 4 grand for a set, and normal rep wheels are like $300 or $400 for a set. So you can see the difference between those two wheels, and it just depends upon what you want and how much you can spend on a wheel. Like, I like to prefer a rep wheel rather than an original wheel. That's a different case. Like, yeah, that's a different case. I'm talking about while I'm drifting. Like, while I'm drifting, I would like to have rep wheels for my car. And if I am just like, if I have a stance car and I just want to have that car in a show, then I would like to own real wheels which are just like really nice, and I have really nice wheels, really nice set of wheels which are just gonna do better for me. So at that point, I would like to have those kind of wheels. But normally I would like to have rep wheels for my car because I can just curve my wheels, and it's just like really bad when you curve your wheels. When you have new wheels and branded wheels, you have invested so much money into it, and then you are curbing those wheels. It's just like really heartbreaking. And as a car enthusiast, like all of you guys can also understand, it's just like heartbreaking and you don't like it. So I just don't like it at all. So rather than just curbing my wheels, I would like to have rep wheels, because if I'm gonna curb them, I know I can just change those wheels and it's just gonna be nice. Like, yeah, it's not gonna bother me that much. So few days ago, I was just like taking a U-turn and I didn't saw there was a brick, so I curved my wheel from the right rear. I just curved that wheel. So it wasn't that bad, it was just like a scuff, and I was just able to clear that portion with an alcohol and all that stuff. Like, with alcohol and gasoline, I was just like able to clean it, and it wasn't a big deal. Like, yeah, it's just like a really small scratch and it doesn't look that bad. So I was just able to do that, and it's just like a common thing that happens. So you just want to think in that way too. If you curb those wheels, are you able to just live with that, or are you gonna be really angry about that? Don't mind about my pimple. Like, yeah, this pimple came yesterday night, so I was just like not happy about it, and I cannot do anything about it. Like, I don't want to pop it right now because it's like red. So just don't mind about it. So let's just get right back into the video. So what I was talking about the rep wheels. So you can own whichever wheels you want to, and it depends which wheel you want, 5 spoke, 6 spoke, dual 7 spoke, dual 8 spoke, 9 spoke, whatever you want to. You can just have any wheel you want to, and it just depends upon how much money you are ready to spend on those wheels. Like, I have seen so many people who are just buying company branded wheels for drifting their car, but mostly they have sponsors, so they are getting sponsored by a company and they are just giving the wheels to that person, and he's just like using those wheels to drive his car. So that's a different option, that's a different opinion on that thing. If you are getting sponsored, then you will definitely run original and branded wheels on your car, no matter what you are doing with that car. So for that you also have to promote their wheels and their company, so that's also a different gist. So you just don't want to get into that. But if you are getting sponsored, then it's just like really nice, and you can rep branded wheels, or if you have money, then also you can rep branded wheels. It just depends upon your pocket and how much brands you can get sponsored by. I have seen so many people who are just talking about these wheels and they just say rep wheels aren't good, they are just really bad and they don't last long. It depends upon how you use them. If you are normally using them, and if you are just like trashing them, you are just driving crazy and you are just curbing them and you are doing dumb stuff with your wheels, of course they are not gonna last long. If you are going to do the same thing with a branded wheel too, they are also not going to last long. So it's just like, yeah, there is a little bit of difference between those two wheels. Like, branded wheels are just like a little bit better from rep wheels, but mostly I just feel like they both are same and they don't have a lot of difference. If you guys know if the branded wheels and rep wheels have a lot of difference, just comment down below, and I would like to know if there is a lot of difference between those two wheels. And if there isn't, like, as I think there isn't a lot of difference between them. It's just like that brand has a name and they just put their name on the wheels, and the wheels are just like branded and the price just skyrockets, and it's just like really expensive to own a branded wheel. It depends upon whatever you want to do. Like, I don't want to own a branded wheel right now. Like, I would love to. Like, I'm not saying that I don't want to, don't get me wrong. I would love to own a branded wheel, but as I am in this situation, the situation I have at this point, I cannot own a branded wheel until unless I get sponsored by someone, and I don't think so at this point. I only have 108 subscribers, so I cannot get sponsored by any company at this point. I just don't feel like that, so I would like to increase some subscribers base and just like have some more interaction with people. Only then I'll be able to get sponsored. So that's a different scenario, but it just depends upon what you want to do. And I am just also thinking about that, like what I would love to do. I would love to own a rep wheel at this point, and if something happens to those wheels, I can just change them and can do whatever I want to, so it won't be that hurtful and that bad to me. Don't mind I'm filming my video here in front of my house because I cannot go anywhere. It's raining. Like, as you can see, it's raining, so I cannot film a lot of videos. If I'm gonna go out, I won't be able to stand outside. I won't be able to stand outside and film a video, so I'm just sitting in my car, and plus I have my college classes. I know I'm just like complaining a lot in some of the videos, but it's just like a thing. I have to deal with it. I have a lot of classes, so I don't get a lot of time in between the days where I can film a video, where I can go out and film a video, just being calm and just give some time to my video. I just have to schedule all of that stuff where when I can film a video. I just film my video when I have my lunch time. So only at that time I'm able to film, because I also have to edit the video. So it's just like a common thing, like that is happening a lot. So just don't mind that I am filming here and I'm sitting in my car and just in front of my house. Usually I like to go somewhere, so that does looks better than normal video in which I'm just like sitting in my car and just talking to you guys. So I also don't like that much, but still I just have to make a video for you guys to keep you guys entertaining and to give you guys some knowledge. So, and I'm pretty sure I'll be buying some big stuff for my car, and then I'm gonna show you that, and you'll be excited about that and you'll just like it. So I'm just like waiting for it. So let's just wait for some time and I'm gonna drop a banger video. So let's just wait for it. So yeah, I was talking about the rep wheels. Are they good or not? I think they are good. You can buy rep wheels, as I would like to buy rep wheels right now, and I would like to change after some time. I would like to change the rep wheels after every few months or something like that, and it will be nice. Like, yeah, I'm not gonna get bothered by anyone, and they'll just see like, yeah, I have new wheels in every few months. So that's nice. Like, I don't think I'll be able to do that in every few months, but I would love to do that in every few months. like in 6 or 7 months I would like to change my wheels, so that would look nice and my car is gonna get updated, or that's just like I'm not gonna get used to same type of wheels, so that would be really nice. So I hope you got something from this, and if you want to buy rep wheels, you can buy rep wheels, and if you have money to buy branded wheels, you can just buy branded wheels. It just depends upon you and your pocket how deep they are. So I hope you got something. So thank you guys for watching, and just subscribe to my channel because that helps me a lot. This channel is just like trying to grow. I am trying to grow my channel and just increase the community which I am gonna create at this point on my YouTube channel. So thank you guys for watching. Just smash the like button because that's also nice, because that helps me to just go on, just because that helps me to stay in the YouTube analytics and be at a good spot. So just like this video and I'm gonna appreciate that a lot. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.